Everyone, I am hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So in this particular video, I will discuss about how to find out off-campus job opportunities. If you are a fresher qualified CMA, if you are experienced qualified CMA, or if any CMA inter-qualified looking training opportunity or job opportunity. So how to find it off-campus job opportunities or training opportunities for inter-qualified or final qualified. So yes, in this video, I will cover each and every aspect. So guys, nowadays we are seeing that the trend of LinkedIn is increasing day by day. So one of the best resource I can assure you that LinkedIn is one of the best resource to find out training opportunity, job opportunity for fresher qualified CMA or experienced qualified CMA. Lot many CMA member are doing great job. Our respected WIRC chairman Harshad Deshpande sir is also sharing too many opportunities. You have to see your convenience, your comfortability. You have to see your job location, the profile, the package, each and everything you need to see as per your convenience, and then accordingly you need to apply. Ananda ma'am, lot many qualified members are sharing opportunities so that everyone get placed. So one of the best resource I can assure you that off campus LinkedIn is number one. Apart from this, lot many social medias, or you can say that lot many social medias for searching job opportunities are available, but I can assure you that one of the best is Naukri.com, where qualified CMA or qualified fresher CMA or experienced CMA can easily find out the job opportunities. So LinkedIn, second one is Naukri.com is best resource. Apart from this, you can say that we have a more than 50k member in one of Facebook. We are lot many, you can say that job opportunities available. Lot many CMA fraternity are sharing job opportunities, so you can see and accordingly you can apply. Okay. Third best resource I can say that one of our CMA fraternity Sajjat is sharing opportunities from wherever he is collecting all job opportunities wherever he is getting and sharing in his Telegram channel. You can also search in Telegram CMA update for 5.3k is currently member. CMA update, you can directly search and you can, if you want, you can join. I can assure you that lot many opportunities are available for CMA inter qualified, CMA final fresher qualified or experienced qualified. You need to see job opportunity as per your convenience, or accordingly you apply. So LinkedIn best, Naukri.com best, or CMA update channel, where you will get all kind of job opportunities. Okay. Apart from this, guys, if you are looking PSU job opportunities, so one of the YouTube channel CMA PKC group, where our senior member CMA Pradeep is sharing too many opportunities related with public sector undertaking. So the four best resource where you will get private organization, MNC, corporate world, or PSUs. CMA Pradeep, CMA PKC group, you will search in YouTube and you can easily see the lot many PSU opportunities are available. So I can assure you that with these you will get easily. Apart from this, I am also sharing from wherever I am getting job opportunities or training opportunity. I am also sharing in my Telegram channel from wherever I am getting. We are just trying our best so that every CMA inter or final fresher or experienced qualified get placed. Okay. So in Telegram, you can also search my Telegram channel Pathway to CMA, or in the description I will also give my link. If you want, you can join. So hoping that you like this video, and still you have any doubt or any questions, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. And in upcoming video, I will also in upcoming my videos, I will also bring such kind of videos which will be beneficial to you to grow your career. Apart from this, you can also suggest me on which topic I need to make a video. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.